The packing for Florida starts, and I thought for sure I was going to do a full-blown video showing what I packed, putting my outfits together, making reels and showing. Nope, it's not gonna happen. It is simply not gonna happen. I just recently got off crutches, but I'm walking with a major limp, and I'm stressed out. And I will not be making any such videos. This is the most you're gonna get. While I've been packing my stuff, my kids are all out skiing. They took my Suburban, filled it with their kids, filled it with all their ski stuff. This is the first time Lincoln's going with them, and I'm actually scared to death. But I figure Olivia will lay down the law if needs be. But I think because Lincoln will be occupied and he'll be having fun, he'll be fine. Joel has been outside working on getting the trailer ready to go, and we're gonna take a little break. We're gonna take a break and we're gonna go get some lunch and figure what we need to do for dinner tomorrow. Yes, I'm just limping along.
You good? It's huge. Oh, that's Yep. Sick. Who's who, but okay. Lincoln. I don't even know who's coming down. Yeah. There's Boston. Boston's the next one going off the jump. Boston. Oh! Are you okay, bud? I think you got that enough. Go! It's gonna be what it's gonna be at this point. I hope he does. Dang, son.
All right, let's go. I have a few interview questions. Do you know what this interview is regarding?
I'm scared.
Come close. Okay, now I just got done watching some footage of skiing where you ate the face of the mountain. I just need a recap because the video does not leave any conclusion. It just shows you bombing off of a jump, which, okay, you were doing all these jumps and you were landing them awesome. Do you know what I was scared of? I was scared you were gonna hyperextend your knees. I know.
Me when you said, I'm like, God.
I know.
Yeah, in ski, I'm always like, kind of make sure I'm bending my knees.
I'm so grateful. And I actually did notice that. I was like, oh, well, they're smarter than me, so. But then you accidentally ate snow.
Oh. I was just trying to get a bunch of air for the camera. And then I was just so focused on the air, I wasn't focused on, oh, I'm dead. I was looked in there, I was like, there's 15 feet above me. I was like, I'm dead. And then I ate it pretty hard.
Now I need to know what injuries. Did you have any injuries from what happened? Because Olivia kind of paused and I could tell she was just like waiting to see if you were okay. And then she's like, oh, I think I'm gonna go check on Boston.
Yeah. So I like fell. I hit my feet first and it was like boom. Or my feet might have
You
hit my
kind of
head
drug
first.
your face.
Yeah, and so right as I got up, I had a bloody nose.
Oh.
And then I bit my lip pretty hard. And so my chin right here, my nose was kind of like rubbed raw, like just sliding 20 feet.
Oh.
Yeah. Kind of knocked the wind out of me. but otherwise kind of like right here and stuff.
How long did it take you to recover?
2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, I was kind of in shock, and so like I had tears on my face.
Aww.
And after that, like got my bloody nose all fixed up because Olivia had like a goggle sock. She just kind of like.
Did she really? She used her goggle sock.
Yeah, she like wiped me up.
Oh.
I got out of my skis. Some guy yelled at me right as I ate it, and he's like, "Go get your skis!" And so I was laying there, I was like, and so I had to go run up, get my skis, and then go sit down.
Yeah, he was not being very compassionate at all. We don't want to be like that guy, okay?
Guy. Yeah, but, yeah, I had my bloody nose. My body hurt, and I had kind of like a headache. But then I was waiting on everyone else. I was kind of waiting on Lincoln and like Olivia and our friend. I was like, okay, come on, let's go. Because I want to. And then like 40 yards after that, I hit another big jump.
And you did just great?
Yeah, I was doing good.
All right, well, I just had to make sure because I knew everyone was going to have questions because I'm sitting here editing it. And I was thinking, I need some answers. Of course, everyone watching is going to need some answers. So we all know that Boston...
It's a little baby quabby.
Okay, well, a little jump scare for the future. A little sneak peek of our time in Florida. Stay tuned, everybody.
Yeah, I was lifting up my shrimp to see if it was still on. Something jumped out at it. I was like, oh. Realized it was this little guy.
We're in Lincoln's room packing all of, the most important...
Toys.
Yep, the toys.
Finally gonna leave this dump. I gotta go into like a mansion in that area.
A mansion in the RV.
Oh, yes.
That's how we feel in the heart, don't we?
I'm going through my baseball cards, and I'm finding like the coolest people, like the kind of coolest stances, and so on the drive to Florida I could draw them.
That's a good idea.
But look at this card.
Let me see. Let me see the
If
card.
you guys like, where'd it go? Oh yeah. If you guys like the Yankees, then good for you. Actually, not good for you. You guys are dirtbags. But the Red Sox are better, and I found this card. I should sell it or burn it. If you guys are baseball fans, then you'd know it.
Feels a little aggressive, Boston.
I hate the Yankees.
Okay.
Well, there's not much better of a morning than waking up, going to the temple with the kids. And the city looks incredible right now. All the trees covered in snow. Golly, what a sight. What a sight.
You're busy. I know that's kind of how life goes.
It is go time. We are heading out the door today, and as I'm cleaning, I'm like really cleaning and making sure that things are perfect for when we leave. Like not one thing is undone for us leaving out the door. And I just cannot help but think about the years that I've gone prior. And every year I just become a little more capable, And anyway, that feels good to feel and see the progress through the last couple of years. As you can see, we've got our slides in. We're ready to go. And this view, all the lovely, glorious, cold, crisp, is going to change very, very soon. Well, this is the same scene you've seen quite a few years in a row. We are ready to go. We're pulling out. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you when we get to Florida.